Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Simplify cos to the power 6 theta plus sine to the power 6 theta plus 3 cos square theta sine square theta. Now this can be written like this: cos to the power 6 theta plus sine to the power 6 theta plus 3 cos square theta sine square theta. So this can be written, this third term can be written multiplied by 1. Now we know 1 can be written as, let's see, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can replace this one with this. So we have cos square theta whole cube using exponent law plus sine square theta whole cube plus 3 cos square theta sine square theta multiplied by sine square theta plus cos square theta. This using a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m multiplied by n. Now this looks like an identity: cos square theta plus sine square theta whole cube using a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So again we know cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So 1 cube, which is equal to 1. Using sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is the answer. Let's see. Answer is option C.